Welcome out to See It in 360. We are here at Space Mountain at Magic Kingdom, and we actually get to film the ride. I got permission to do this, so let's go in and check out the ride. Woo! I don't think I'm tall enough. Okay, this is a really, really long walk to get up to where the ride is. Because it has to go down there? Yes. Because this has to go underneath the train track and all the way to the other side.
Back and neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be aggravated by this invention. Expected mothers should not and passengers.
She likes to deadlift to 135, which is like 245 inside. Then you know he's fine.
It is a dark tunnel to get to this ride. So normally you can't film this ride because there's no lights or anything like that, but they've actually got Christmas music blaring and they've got lights flashing inside, so we can actually get a view of this. Do you have a ride side preference, Elijah?
I don't care.
Okay.
Whatever you want.
Let's do the right side because it stays on this side of the wall. Okay. No, just two.
And then that way, since you guys want to get split up,
Letting them on that one. It's okay. We'll take the next one by ourselves.
well, I just didn't want to split you up.
That's
Like
okay.
if I put you on 3 and 4.
No, you're good.
You rode to go on 1 and 2 or 4 and 5, whichever you like.
1 and 5, whatever. Where do you want to sit?
I don't care what.
I'm gonna sit in the back to get the cart in the shot. Take the hat off. That's a short stop. Come on, Dex. We got to get Big Thunder Mountain Railroad too. Go! 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 Oh, it's double. Okay, we're stopped. That's rowing backwards, by the way. There you go. Here we go! Woo! Don't know that this video is going to come out, but I'm trying, dang it! Get ready for the flash! Woo! Picture!
Keep your hands off the handrail or inside the vehicle. shuttle. This is flight safety. Remain seated with arms inside your vehicle until the complete stop.
Coming back.
That was Space Mountain in the not so dark. Yeah, that's kind of cool.
We got to pull her in, guys. We're bringing her in.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, we're good.
There we go. Here we were.
You want to get the other try?
Huh? No, I'm good. Good night. All right, and this is the walkway out of Space Mountain.
It's a long, treacherous journey.
Yeah, but there's a cool couple things here. If you look on the right-hand side, there's going to be a few little places here, things that you can check out. This used to be a moving belt where you could just stand on it and it would roll you out all by itself.
It was very convenient.
Yeah, this next scene is actually my favorite. I love the setup of this. I think that's really cool. Constellation, the City of Stars. Yeah, that was fun.
That was fun. What we're doing next, we're going to try to see if that line is look shorter from the state.
We'll check and see if that line is short. We will make sure we get over to Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger Spin. Alright, so that's the Space Mountain ride. And, fun. I don't know how it's going to turn out on the video, but you'll have seen it by this point, so it's good. Make sure to check out curingkidscancer.org. See what you can do to help. Buy a shirt, like, subscribe, all that kind of fun stuff. And we'll see you on the next adventure. On the napkins adventure? The next adventure. Yeah, gotta clean up, you know, that's a good thing. Keep everything clean.